How to find hidden chat messages on Viber. If you've had in some conversations and want to access them again, or if you're just curious about how it works, this video is for you. First, let's briefly talk about why someone might hide chats on Viber. Hidden chats are a great way to keep certain conversations private or out of view from others who might be using your phone. Viber allows you to hide chats to maintain your privacy, but it's important to know how to find them when needed. Now let's get to the steps to find and access those hidden chats. First, find and open the Viber app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, now let's say we will hide this chat. What you need to do is to hide the chat. Simply tap on right or simply swipe right and tap on hide. Simply click on set pin. Now, as it says, what you need to do is simply type in the here, as you can see, hidden chat. Simply tap on it. And that's how you can simply access hidden chats.